Hi friends, today we shall discuss about special operator between or not between. Used to pick the values within the specified range. Supports with numbers and date values. Between is an inclusive operator which includes range limits in output. Not between is an exclusive operator which excludes range limits from output. Examples. Let us try these examples in Oracle environment. C command prompt, run as administrator. Type here SQL plus as sysdba. So SQL is connected successfully. Let us clear the screen. Set page size 150. Set line size 150. Okay. First we shall see the first we shall clear the screen. First we shall see these records from the employee. Select star from employee. So you can see all the records. We shall try with the first examples for between. So this is select star from employer salary between 1000 and 2000. 6 rows selected. You can see a salary is between 1000 and 2000. Now let us come to the next command. Update employee set salary is equal to salary plus sal star 0.35 where hire date between 1st Jan 82 and 31st December 83. Let us try this command. Copy, paste. 3 rows updated. So 3 rows have salary has been updated. You can see select star from employee. So the salary where it is updated is 1st Jan 82. So it's 4050. So here you can see 4050. Whereas here Scott, the initial salary was 3000. So 3 rows have been updated. Now let us see other examples for not between. So first we shall drop this table and create it again once again. Drop table employee. Drop table employee. So table dropped. We shall create again fresh table. Create table employee as select star from EMP. Create table employee as select star from EMP. So table has been created. Now if you see the contents of the employee, again it will show. First we shall clear the screen. So again, the salaries and all are initially set up. The table is set to default table. So now we shall see not between. Copy. Select star from employer salary not between 1000 and 2000. 8 rows selected. Salary not between 1000 and 2000. Salary is greater than 2000 or lesser than 1000. So 8 rows are selected. Now let us see the second command, second statement. Update set salary is equal to salary star 3.5, where higher rate not between 1st Jan to 1st Jan 82 to 31st December 83. So 11 rows updated. 11 rows salary has been increased. If we see select star from employee, you can see the salary has been upgraded. So salary has been upgraded. You can see the salary column, it has been upgraded. So between works as greater than or equal to and lesser than or equal to. Not between works as lesser than or greater than. Between where salary is greater than or equal to 1000 and salary is less than or equal to 2000. Not between where salary is lesser than 1000 or salary is greater than 2000. Thank you friends watching for this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.